Hello, guys. My name is Senami from Nigeria. I would like to talk about the Forex for Beginners Family Academy put up by Sarah Lee on Facebook. I'm super glad to have come across the platform. I was skeptical at first because it was all free. Yes, I decided to give it a go. So within a short period of time, I have learned so much in a couple of years that I've been struggling with Forex. I'm so proud to say that my charts markup and analysis currently is on point. On point. Yes, the lessons are super clear and direct, and for a novice, trust me, you would understand it easily. So I want to say a big thank you to Sarah Lee and every other member of the Forex for Beginner Family Academy. Yes, both the private group and the students group for your support, for their encouragement, and for their push, and also a big thank you for the time that they actually put out to actually explain and go through our analysis and our charts markup. Like I thank you so much for wanting each and every one of us to be able to trade on our own, and I thank you for actually sharing this knowledge free. I would like to encourage everyone who is interested in the forex market, you're learning how to trade, but doesn't know where to start from. I believe this family is the right platform for you. You should check it out on Facebook. It's the Forex for Beginners Academy, and trust me, you won't be disappointed. I wasn't disappointed. It's all free. It's all free, and and trust me, you would be glad to be part of this family because I am. Thank you.